Temu dropshipping to eBay. How to dropship from Temu to eBay. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be explaining and showing you guys how you will be able to dropship on Temu with just simple steps. Although it's not going to be simple, yes, it's going to be very straightforward, but I have to admit it is going to be tiring and a manual labor type of method. Now, why am I suggesting a manual labor type of method? Why not something simple and why not something quick? Well, unfortunately, with the type of integration or collaboration that we want to perform in today's video between Temu and eBay, there is just no direct way to connect these two platforms just yet, wherein you could easily just click a button and you will be able to import and export a product from eBay to Temu or vice versa. Now, you might suggest that we could use Shopify, but as of now, the connection or the integration between Temu and Shopify is not that smooth yet. So I could suggest that you could try it out, but I would suggest that you play around with this sure ball method first until you get tired or until you understand the concept or the process of how the drop shipping process works, because you will be able to appreciate how hard the extensions or the different features of external platforms to connect these two platforms together. So what is the method that I'm talking about, that I'm praising, but at the same time not praising? Now, this method is called manual drop shipping. Now, some of you might have heard it before, but some of you might have not. Now, the drop shipping word is very familiar, wherein you sell products that you don't actually have in inventory, but the products will still be able to deliver or will still be able to be delivered to your customers, which will be sent by other companies or other e-commerce sellers or the creator of the product itself. But you're the one who's promoting and selling the product and earning money as well. And the manual, the keyword of the manual is that we will be doing it manually. So people are used to having a dropshipping system wherein it is fully automatic, where you just simply have to click, import, and then list items on your store. But with manual, since we don't have connections, we would have to do it one by one. So first thing, which is the common step, is to of course select our product that we would like to dropship. So simply go to Temu and we will be looking for a product that we would like to sell on eBay. So for example, I could check out some hot stuff right now, best sellers. You can check that out. And as you can see here, we'll be able to check out the best sellers right now in Temu. There's a lot of options over here. So for example, I would like to drop ship this massage gun over here. So now, when you open an item in Temu, of course, you will be able to see the typical items like the images, the title, the price, all of those things you will be able to see. You can also see some, reviews over here and like stars. So, and the amount of items sold, the description, and many more, which are all important details. So, after that, as you can see, we have proceeded and accomplished task 1, which is selecting a product, of course. Our next step is downloading and saving a product from Temu. Now, what does this mean? Now, what I mean by saving and downloading the product is by downloading the different images found here. Now, you could say that you could just easily right-click and click on Save Image As, but as you can see, it will not work because it will be saved as a web file, and that is not what we want. So how do we download the image and even the videos available on the product section? So what you're going to do is you're simply going to search Temu image downloader. Now the image downloader, as you can see here, there will be a lot of extension available, but you would often select the first link and you will be able to see something like this, Temu image downloader, which would allow us to download any image out of Temu, just like with an example over here. So it will be very useful for gathering images that are or that came from Temu. So for example, we have our item here. Now, if you want to download it, you can download it on any of your browser. That is very simple. But anyway, assuming that we have downloading it, should next then get the information of our title. So you could open a sheet over here where you can simply save the data. A blank sheet. And over here, I could copy the title. Just like that. I could copy the link of our product over here. Like that. And you can simply organize your different outputs over here and organize the way the information that you're trying to get is arranged. You need the photos, the title, the price, and the description. Those are the most important things because those are the things that you will be adding on eBay. Now, after that, after downloading and saving the product on your spreadsheet or your computer, you can now proceed to upload it on eBay. So over here in eBay, you can simply select sell and you will be redirected to the sell section. Click on list an item. And you're simply going to tell them what you're selling. So you can simply say massage gun. Click on search. And you will be able to see similar outputs. If you select similar outputs, you will be able to save time, not entering some brands or other information because there's also a similar item already, which will help you from that. And then over here, you can simply upload the image that you have downloaded in Temu, which is really great. You can enter the item, category, specification, all of those things. All of this important. And then you have your description over here. Copy it from, of course, Temu. And like the price, of course, the pricing will not depend on you as the user. But then after completing all the information above here, you will then be able to display with fees over here. Or you could save it for later or you could preview it on what it would look like. So that's basically it. You can easily upload it and start selling on eBay. Now, what you're simply going to do next is rinse and repeat. You're simply going to do that over and over until you have a satisfying amount of products being sold on eBay from Temu. Now, how will it work? Because in dropshipping, you don't really have the inventory. So how will we sell on Amazon when we don't have a connection between Temu and eBay? So I'm sorry, I mentioned Amazon earlier. I meant eBay. But anyway, how does it work? So I have created a simple illustration over here. So we are selling our product in eBay over here. So let's say a user or someone buys an item in eBay. And it is an eBay store that we have created, which is this one over here. So what we will be getting is that we will be getting the information of this guy, his information, his address, his name, stuff like that. We will be able to get it. And now me knowing his information, I'm now going to go to Temu and order the same item he has ordered. For example, this one, the massage gun. I would order it myself on Temu, but the information that I will input to Temu will be from the user over here. So then, if Temu suddenly delivers or like sends the products to the person who bought it, the Temu will no longer send it to me because of course, even though I ordered it, the information I inputted is not myself, but the information of our user over here. So the Temu, they will simply send it directly to them and no longer back to us. So we no longer have to deal with inventory or any of those things. That's basically it. That's the process of how you will buy or how you will make Temu and eBay dropshipping work. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.